Hey folks, Mike Gray with the Mike Gray team and Heritage Texas Properties here for your monthly update. So as you've seen from the other videos, as you've watched throughout the series, what we've seen this year, it's been a very interesting year. Right now, if we take a look at August was a huge month, record-breaking month. Move into September, we were fractionally down. We're waiting for the numbers for October to come out, but if we look on a year-over-year basis, we're up from last year. If we look at the sales price, the average sales price of a home in Houston, it's up 2%. So we're up from where we were last year, and the 2% that it is, the 278 is the number, is a record for this month. So we're still seeing a lot of positive things in the market. We do think that the upstream energy is going to continue to be a bit of a drag on the market. As of today, oil is back down a little bit. So we still think there's going to be some issues that we're going to have to work through in the upcoming months and into some of next year as well. As we look at the inventory, right now we're at just under 4 months of inventory. That's very low compared to the rest of the nation, and the rest of the nation for the most part is booming real estate wise. We're very low. We're still on the buyer side, but we have to break that down and look at it neighborhood by neighborhood. Some neighborhoods have very low inventory. Other neighborhoods, especially those that are more in the oil sector, have very high inventory. So it's a big mix. Again, as we say probably every month, Houston lives like a bunch of smaller cities. So we're watching that. One thing that I wanted to address, I'm hearing people talking about putting their homes on the market and waiting until spring to do that. That may be the right thing to do, but it may not. If you're considering selling your home over the winter, what I would say is look at what your inventory is, or look what the inventory is that you're competing against. Look at the signs. How many signs do you see in your neighborhood? Sometimes people think that winter's a terrible time to sell. Well, we don't really have harsh winters here, but they think that winter is a bad time to sell. The reality is winter could be a great time to sell. A lot of times December is our biggest month. A couple reasons. One is people that are looking during this time, they're truly buyers, they're motivated buyers. A lot of people don't go out and just look at homes for fun between Thanksgiving and New Year's. That time, there's so much going on, there's other stuff that they want to be doing. The other reason is people want to get their homestead exemption and have that, you have to be in your house, living in your house by January 1st. So they want to get that in because that can be a big saving for you the following year. So keep that in mind. If you're thinking about selling your home, you may want to look at, does it make sense to put it up now, or should I wait till spring? Right, spring might be the best time for you, but a lot of people think that, so the increased competition could be a factor. A couple positive notes, or one positive note, kind of fun fact, for the 7th year in a row, Houston is the #1 destination for U-Haul. If you look at the U-Haul map, if you Google what they show, Houston, there's a ton of lines coming into Houston and not that many going out. So it's still a go-to city. Hope you enjoyed the information, and if you have any questions, feel free to email, feel free to give me a call. Be happy to answer anything for you. And as always, thank you so much for your referrals and for sending your friends and family. Have a great week.